What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Jim Graphics. In today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to design this music cover in CorelDRAW. If you're new, consider subscribing by clicking on the red button below and turn on the bell icon in order not to miss any of my future upload. So as you can see guys, this is just the few backgrounds which we will be working with. I'm going to put the link of all this in the down description below for you guys to check it out. So this is the picture we'll be working with, and I've taken out the background though, but if you don't know how to take out background in Photoshop, please go and check out my previous videos. Alright, I'm going to put the link just up here for you guys, so you can just click on it and go and check out how to take out background in Photoshop. Alright, so without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. Welcome to CorelDRAW guys. So the first thing we'll do is change our size, and the size we'll be working with is 7 by 7 inches. Alright, it's a square. So what I'm going to do is we're going to change our size by going to our property bar. Alright, locate your drawing unit and change this to inches, and make this 7 by 7 inches and click enter on your keyboard. And the next thing we're going to do is select our rectangle tool and draw this way. Alright, just draw it anyhow, but come over to your property bar, select your page size, and what you're going to do is change to 7 by 7 inches. Alright, so click on letter P to make it fit to frame. So as you can see, it's not fitted to frame, so click on letter P to make it fit to frame. Alright, so what we're going to do now is remove the black stroke which we had earlier by clicking on this sign here and set outline color, and boom guys, as you can see, we can't actually see any of that now. So the next thing we're going to do guys is we're going to import our stock images. Alright, so to do this, right click just right here and locate import, and the shortcut is Ctrl+I. So what I'm going to do is come over to this folder. Alright, so we're going to select this, and 1 2 3 and 4, and we're going to select, and what I'm going to do is just place it just right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in the text for this tutorial. So I'm going to go to this notepad and select just from here and stop here. So I'm going to select by using Ctrl+C to copy, then use my text tool and paste just right here. First of all, click on it, click left click, and as you can see, a cursor is blinking there. Don't use Ctrl+V to paste it. Then we're going to give it a white color so we can see. So the next thing we're going to do guys is I'm going to place our backgrounds for this tutorial. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to bring in this one and scale it up this way. Then I'm going to apply a blur effect to this. Alright, because I don't like all this stuff here. I just want it like a bit in the background, alright, just like distraction in the background there. So we're going to go to effect and select adjust, then select effect blur, then Gaussian blur, and we're going to increase this, increase and increase till we get what we want. And I think we're good with this. This is 55.3 pixels. So we're going to select by right clicking and select power clip, then place it into this frame. Now as you can see, it's not fitted to frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to right click and select edit power clip, then we're going to just scale this up just right there, and we're going to leave that to that and click on finish. This is what we're going to have guys. So the next thing we're going to do is I'm going to bring in this image, place it just right here, and we're going to scale it up. Alright, we're going to scale that up just right here. And the next thing we're going to do guys is we're going to right click on this and select power clip, then place it into the frame just right there, and we're going to add a bit of contrast to this by right clicking and select edit power clip, just to enable us select this image because we've already placed it into the frame already. So what we're going to do now is go to our effect and use adjust, then go to brightness and contrast. Alright, we're going to add a bit of contrast to this and click on OK, and I think we're good with this, and this is what we're going to have. Click on finish. And the next thing we're going to do guys is I'm going to select this image, this background. Alright, right click on it and select power clip, then place it into this background, then right click and select edit power clip. Alright, so basically the title of this song is Oshimiri Atata. That is in Igbo language. It actually means the river that never runs dry. So that's why I downloaded this background. All right, so now I'm going to right click and select edit power clip. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to fade out this part just right here, and I'm going to bitmap to enable us fade out the other parts. So I'm going to change this to RGB resolution of 300 and click on OK. Now fade out this part. Alright, so what we're going to do now is we're going to just bring it just right here. Alright, so once we do that, convert to bitmap. Then we're going to fade out this part. Then what we're going to do is go to our image mode and change to soft light. Just use soft light, guys. We're good with that. And now select your image and use shift page up to bring it forward. Alright, so we're going to select this and just bring it just right here and scale it up a bit, and we're good with that. So click on finish, and this is what we're going to have, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, cut this, Ctrl X, paste it just right here. Then I'm going to use shift F3. First of all, highlight everything using Ctrl A, then use shift F3 to change to uppercase, and boom, guys, this is what you're going to have. So I'm going to reduce this. Alright, so I'm going to bold this. Alright, so select your shape tool, and we're going to scale this up just right here. Alright, so we're still scaling, guys. Alright, so this is what we're going to have. So we're going to take this up a bit, take it up a bit, and reduce this just right here, and leave that to that corner heel sounds. And this is what we're going to have, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna cut the title of the song. So let's delete title and cut the title of the song, this one, paste it just right here, and use Ctrl K to break it apart. Boom, guys, this is what you're gonna have. So the fonts I'm gonna be using for this, I've write out all the fonts for you guys. Note, guys, I've designed this before. I'm just showing you how I made it. All right, so the font for this is called Kiona. All right, so we're gonna use Kiona, and click on enter on your keyboard, and this is what we're going to have. So I'm going to scale this up just right here and leave that to that. So there's something unique we're going to do to this. All right, something very unique. So first of all, I'm going to convert this to curve. So right click on the text and convert to curve. Select convert to curve. All right, the shortcut is Ctrl Q, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to use this rectangle tool. Draw this way. Let's give it white so we can see. Now I'm going to hold my shift, then select this text. So as you can see, we've selected everything. Now go to your property bar and select trim. Bring this one here, select trim. Bring this one here, hold your shift and select the text, select trim, and this is what we're going to have. This is something unique I'm talking about. So we're going to use our shape tool, and basically, guys, we're going to delete this once, delete this, and delete this. So guys, this is what we are going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this this gold background, and I'm going to right click on it and select power clip, then place it into this frame, into the frame of the text. All right, so now we're going to right click and select edit power clip. Then now I'm going to scale this up this way, and basically, guys, leave that to that, and boom, guys, this is what we're going to have. So I'm going to change the font of this also to Kiona, and we're going to reduce and just place this just right there. And guys, so for now, as you can see, this place is kind of dark, so I'm going to adjust this by bringing this one just this way, and guys, boom, guys, this is what we're going to have. So I'm going to just increase this one a bit, and we're going to take it up a bit. So we're going to change the font of this one to Trajan's Pro. Is it Trajan or Trajan? Trajan Pro. So this is the Trajan Pro we'll be working with. We're going to reduce this one, and basically, guys, this is what you're going to have. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cut this one. That's the artist name. All right. So before then, I'm going to go into the frame and right click, select edit power clip to go into the frame. So I'm going to use my my rectangle tool and draw this way. All right, so I'm going to use my eyedropper tool, copy a color here, paste it just right here, and I'm going to fade out this part just right here. Then go to this and select hard lights. All right, hard light, and boom, guys, that is just it for that. And guys, this is what you're going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this one. Let's bring this one here, cut this, use Ctrl K to break it apart. So I'm going to change the font. So I'm going to come over to this and select this Erotis font. All right, paste it. All right, and change this one to Trajas Pro. I'm going to put the names of all these fonts for you guys in the down description below, so please check the description for the fonts. So I'm going to scale this one up, all right. And this is basically how he wants his name to be written in all his album. So I've done this before. It's just like his signature and, or let me say, a logo. All right, so guys, you're just gonna place this one here and place it just right here. And guys, this is what you're going to have. This is what you are going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to cut out this and paste it just right here, the producer's name. Cut it and paste it just right here. So we're going to delete this one. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scale this one just right there, scale this one just right there, and produce, we're going to just put a dot here, and we're going to bring this one here, change to uppercase, shift F3 on your keyboard, and we're going to just put this one here, make sure it's aligned to this, and make sure this is in the middle. So what we're going to do is Facebook, IG, and Twitter. So we're going to replace that with the icon. All right, so this is basically what we're going to have. So I'm going to import this icon. So we're going to go to this folder. I'm going to paste that for you guys. So we have Facebook, we have IG, and we have Twitter. So I'm going to copy this and we're going to just paste this just right here. All right, let me paste it for you guys. I'm going to put the link for you guys there. So this is what we're going to have. So let's import all of this and scale this down, scale this down, and scale this down. So this is what we're going to have. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to scale this one and I'm going to extract this from this background. So what we're going to do is go to your bitmap mode, black and white, and wait for this to load. Click on OK. Then go to trace bitmap, outline, trace, line art, and wait for that to load. So now what we're going to do is click on OK and delete this one and delete the white one. Give it a white color so we can see. All right, white color. Now onto the IG bitmap mode, black and white. Okay, trace bitmap, line art. All right, so wait for this to load and click on OK, and you can basically delete this one, ungroup this, delete the white ones, and group this. Then what you're going to do is just place this here and give it a white color. All right, let's reduce this one. Onto the Twitter, same thing. All right, guys, so if you have any question, please don't forget, drop me a comment in the comment section below and I'm going to attend to that. Don't forget, give this video a thumbs up. All right, guys, so now delete this one and ungroup and delete this one. So keep that here and give it a white color. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in this ruler, just make sure this is aligned. So I'm going to reduce this, all right. So I'm going to just reduce this one, bring this one here, group it, then delete the ruler. Then we're going to just place this just right here and reduce it a bit. All right, so this is what we're going to have. All right, so this is what we're going to have. So I'm going to change the color of this to this light yellow, change this to light yellow, and basically, guys, make sure this is aligned, and we're going to just bring this one down this way. And guys, as you all can see, guys, we're going to just scale this one up just right there. And guys, this is how we designed this music cover in CorelDRAW. If you have any question, guys, don't forget, drop me a comment in the comment section below, and I give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in my next video.